Hey everyone, welcome back to Speed Zone. Today, we've got something special, the 2025 Mercedes Sprinter 4x4 camper van. Whether you're into overlanding, weekend getaways, or just love the freedom of van life, this beast is built to handle it all. Let's dive in and see what makes it a top choice for adventure seekers. Right off the bat, the exterior of the 2025 Sprinter 4x4 is rugged and ready for anything. Mercedes has given it a more aggressive stance with a higher ground clearance, a bolder front grille, and LED headlights that not only look sharp but also improve nighttime visibility. The all-terrain tires wrapped around 16-inch blacked-out alloy wheels give it that tough, go-anywhere vibe. And with the optional roof rack, side ladder, and integrated light bar, this thing is built for serious exploration. The 4x4 system on this van isn't just for show, it's got real off-road capability. Mercedes has upgraded the all-wheel drive system with better torque distribution, making it more capable on dirt trails, snow, and sand. The turbocharged 2.0-liter diesel engine puts out 211 horsepower and 332 pound-feet of torque, giving it plenty of muscle to tackle steep climbs while staying fuel-efficient. Paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission, it delivers smooth power whether you're cruising on highways or navigating rough terrain. And let's not forget about the improved suspension. It absorbs bumps effortlessly, making for a more comfortable ride. Mercedes didn't just stop at performance, they've also packed in safety and tech. Features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera make driving this big van easier than ever. And for those venturing off-grid, the optional 92 all-lithium battery system and solar panels keep everything powered without needing hookups. Now, stepping inside, the 2025 Sprinter 4x4 camper van is a home on wheels. The layout is thoughtfully designed with a compact kitchenette, a cozy sleeping area, and plenty of smart storage solutions. The swivel captain's chairs make the space feel open, and the high-quality materials give it a premium feel. There's a built-in touchscreen control panel that manages lighting, temperature, and battery levels with just a tap. And with upgraded insulation and an efficient heating system, this van is ready for all-season adventures. Overall, the 2025 Mercedes Sprinter 4x4 camper van is a powerhouse built for explorers who refuse to compromise on comfort. With its off-road capability, high-tech features, and a well-designed interior, it's easily one of the best camper vans available today. Let us know in the comments, where would you take this beast on your next adventure? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more reviews from Speed Zone. See you in the next one.